y'all? Welcome back to Straight Out the Fridge. It's your girl Camille, and today, if you can't tell by the title, we are making... My phone over here interrupted me. Okay, so this is kind of my first time doing a video of food on here. I know it's anticipated. A lot of people have been waiting on me to start cooking on my channel, and here I am, finally here to do it. And if you see me looking this way, it's because my neighbor's window is there, and I was like, are you looking at me? But they're not. I'm just tripping. But so we're gonna make some cookies, and they're not gonna be chocolate chip because we're not basic. But today we're gonna make these cranberry white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. I'm excited because these cookies are so good. I don't eat them, but they're gonna be eaten. And ignore the back of my kitchen. It looks super cluttered back there, but it's really not. It's just like a lot of produce. And I just got an herb garden the other day. But yeah. Y'all want to see it? Okay. Oh, and if you could tell, I have the laptop back here. I'm watching my girl Maria graduate. I couldn't make it, so shout out to you, Maria. Graduating today. But this is my herb garden. This herb garden has rosemary. It also has some thyme. If some of y'all follow me on Instagram, you already know though that I grow my own first time. So, but it's never too much herbs in the house. And then we have some sage. Yes. And they gave me this little salt or pepper shaker. You pick. You only get one though. But we're about to make these cranberry white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. And so first thing you're gonna need is a blender. I got my KitchenAid mixer at Sam's Club, but you can find them anywhere. And if you don't have a KitchenAid mixer, you can do like a handheld mixer, or if you're a beast, you can just mix it with your hand. But I don't know if that's gonna work as well. But anyway, so the first thing we're gonna do is throw our butter in there. It should be softened, but mine isn't, because I'm a pro procrastinator. Need to work on this. You're gonna need 3/4 cup of butter, softened. So a block and a half is 3/4. A block, a brick, a stick. That's what I meant. This is gonna be the paddle that you need for your, if you have a KitchenAid mixer. We're gonna mix it up until it's nice and whipped. Alright, as y'all just heard, my oven is ready. The temperature is hot, so I need to hurry up. But the next step you're gonna do is add in your sugars. You have 2 different sugars. You're gonna have 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and then you're gonna add in 1/2 cup of white sugar. Now that that's mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and add in 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Alright, since we have the next ingredients in here, we're gonna go ahead and mix it up. I'm gonna wipe my sides again. Like I said, I don't know. You just want to make sure everything is incorporated. So now you're going to mix all your dry ingredients. Flour, your baking soda, and and your salt. So we're going to get a medium-sized bowl. Bole. Dry ingredients. We're going to need 2 1/4 cup of flour. Also going to need 1 teaspoon of baking, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just using sea salt. We have all white chocolate. I have two different ones. I like to put this one in my cookies. I like to chop it up. And then I also have these here, these Ghirardelli ones. Take this scooper, this ice cream scoop to scoop, and I'm gonna just use that to help me with my balls, my cookies. Put these bad boys in. Put these in real quick. I know I'm licking my fingers. I need to wash my hands, but I'm gonna throw these in real quick. We're gonna let those sit and bake for like 20 minutes. And here we are about to watch Maria. Yeah, they called Maria's name. All right, y'all, so look, this is what the cookie looks like. You can tell something in every bite. But they're so good. You can tell right here. You got the cranberries, you got the macadamia nut, you got the white chocolate. I will tell y'all though, I didn't put the baker's chocolate in it because I put a lot of the other chocolate chips in, so I didn't think it was necessary. It would make it too sweet. But there's the right amount of sweet, salty, and the tartness from the cranberries. So good. So, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that red button wherever it is. And don't forget to click that little bell, hit that notification so you can get post notifications when I post. Luna, you trying to come in? You say hey? Oh, no, sit. And comment down below if you try them or what cookie I should try next. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next Vlogmas tomorrow. Say bye. Say bye.